In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time on the Fresha app in our comprehensive 2025 guide. This step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the process, ensuring you're able to manage your schedule seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Fresha app on your device and sign in using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, be sure to register, as this will give you access to all the features Fresha offers for managing your bookings and calendar. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to start the process of blocking time on your calendar. Next, navigate to the calendar section within the app. This is where all your appointments and available slots are displayed. The calendar view is your control center for managing your schedule, so becoming familiar with this section is key. Once you're there, directing your attention to the top right corner is essential, as this is where you'll find the Add button. Tap on this Add button and a new menu will appear. From the list of options, choose Block Time. This selection will allow you to reserve a specific period during which you won't be available for appointments or meetings. It's a great feature for ensuring you have dedicated time for personal tasks, deep work, or simply a break. After selecting block time, you'll need to set both the start and end times. This step is crucial because it defines the exact period you want to block. Take a moment to carefully choose the times that align best with your schedule. Being precise with these details ensures that there are no overlaps or missed appointments around your blocked period. Once you've decided when you'd like to block your time, it's time to fill in the details. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a title for the blocked slot. Choose something descriptive so that it stands out on your calendar. Although it's optional, you also have the option to enter a description. This can be helpful if you want to note why the time is blocked or include any other relevant information. The final step in this process is to save your blocked time slot. Before doing so, quickly review all the details you've entered to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, hit the save button, and voila! Your time is now effectively blocked on the Fresha app. And there you have it. You've just successfully learned how to block time on the Fresha app. This feature is a fantastic tool for staying organized and ensuring that you have full control over your availability. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your time efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.